The wait is over. It is 2026. The Open Mainnet is live and the Pi network is more active than ever. If you want to support the ecosystem and even secure your blockchain and boost your mining rewards, then you need to start running nudes. It is actually necessary. You need to run a nude. So guys, let's dive right into the video, because in this video I'm going to simply show you exactly how to set up your Pi node from scratch using the 2026 method. I've actually seen a lot of videos that talks about this topic, which are actually outdated. So in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to do this using the 2026 requirement. Whether you are a tech expert or even a beginner, I got you covered. So guys, let's dive right into the video. But first, let's understand the meaning of Pi node. So if you are new to the Pi ecosystem or the crypto space and you don't even know what the Pi node actually mean, it is actually a desktop software that allows users in order to participate in the Pi network blockchain by validating their transaction and maintaining a distributed ledger. So it also secures the network on laptop and desktop rather than on phones. So you can only use this node on your PC or on your desktop. You cannot do it on your phone. So unlike other mining that you normally do on your phone, running a node actually helps to build your decentralized blockchain infrastructure for potential rewards. So guys, let's dive right into the main topic of the day, which is to show you how to set up your node for your Pi node. So let's dive right in. So the first step you need to take here on your PC is to simply go to your web browser, either on your Firefox or on your Chrome. Right here on your PC, just go ahead and search for node.mypi.com. So that is it. Once you do that, this is actually going to load up. You're going to see the option of download. So you just need to go ahead and click on that, and they're going to show you two options. You can either download this on your Mac or on your Windows. So if you're using a Mac device for this, you can go ahead and click on Mac. If you are using Windows just as mine, you can go ahead and click on Windows like this. Once you do that, it is actually going to start downloading, and once the download is done, you need to go ahead and click on it, and you're going to see this right here on your device. You just need to simply allow it to open fully. So this is simply what you're going to see on yours. So you just simply need to go to your mobile Pi app. So right here on your mobile Pi app, you are going to see the option of node at the screen right here. You can see that. Click on that like this, and you're going to see two options here. You need to actually install any of this. The first one here is actually mandatory, which is install Docker. The second one here is open router ports, which is actually optional. So you need to install Docker by clicking on install like this and click on continue. So when you click on continue, this is exactly what you're going to see. You're going to see the option of download Docker desktop at the bottom here. So you just need to go ahead and click on that, and you're going to see different options depending on the device you are using. So if you are using Windows, you need to go ahead and click on download for Windows like this. Once that is done, it is actually going to start downloading. You can see that right here on the screen. So you just need to wait for it to download. I already have it on my PC, so I'm not going to re-download it. So once that is done, when you open it, this is what the page is actually going to appear as. So right here, you are going to be able to see Pi network right here. You can see that right here. You're going to be seeing the green logo on it. So if you are seeing the green logo right there, it actually means that it is now running. So going back to this main page, you're going to see the option of turn on. So you need to actually turn on the Docker for desktop. In order for it to start running, you're going to see what it says here. It looks like Docker is correctly installed. So if you're now seeing this, you're actually good to go. So looking right here, you can see that it is actually turned on. So for this other one, if you click on it like this, you can see that it's running from this first digit 3140 and this other one 31409. So if you've actually turned on the first option, which is to install the Docker, you don't even need the second option in order for your Pi node to start running. So once the first option is actually turned on, your Pi node is actually going to start running on your Pi. So this is how simple it is for you to set up your Pi node in 2026. Hope you found this video helpful, because we've come to the very end of this video. Now do it to like this video, subscribe and hit the notification bell. It has always been Daniel. See you in the next one. This is Upfix and End channel. Share this video with your friends.